Welcome to Review Source. When precision matters and every fastener counts, having the right tool makes all the difference. Whether you're working on vehicles, bikes, machinery, or delicate equipment, accuracy isn't optional. Today, we're covering the best digital torque wrenches, chosen for their reliability, ease of use, accuracy, and real-world performance. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Now, let's get started. Starting at number 1, the eTORK EC3250. The eTORK EC3250 is built for people who don't want to guess when tightening critical fasteners. It covers a wide torque range, which makes it useful for everything from wheel lugs to engine components, and it feels solid the moment you pick it up. What makes this one stand out is the combination of a digital readout and traditional click feedback. You get the confidence of seeing the exact torque on the screen, and you still get that familiar click when you hit your target. That dual feedback makes it easier to work accurately, especially on important jobs where over-tightening isn't an option. The backlit display is bright and easy to read, even in low light, and the grip feels comfortable during longer sessions. It doesn't feel awkward or unbalanced, which helps when you're working in tight spaces. Many users say it feels well built and appreciate how easy it is to use, especially the clear digital display. Customers also mention that it's accurate and versatile enough for a wide range of projects, from automotive to small engine work. Some users love the mechanical click feature, though a few have mentioned issues with the click mechanism not engaging consistently. Overall, this wrench is a strong option for anyone who wants digital precision without giving up the traditional feel. Next up at number 2, the Uharbour UHXM013. The Uharbour UHXM013 is all about flexibility and accuracy. It covers an extremely wide torque range, which means you can use it on cars, motorcycles, bicycles, and more without switching tools. That alone makes it a favorite for people who work on multiple types of equipment. It offers 2 working modes, so you can track torque in real time or let the wrench alert you when you reach your target. The vibration, buzzer, and LED signals make it hard to miss, even in noisy workshops. The dual-direction ratchet is another nice touch, especially when you're working in awkward positions or tight spaces. The screen is clear, easy to navigate, and supports multiple units, which is useful if you work with different specs. Customers often mention how accurate it feels, with some saying it performs just as well as much more expensive tools. People also like the preset options in a wide range of settings. The build quality gets positive feedback, and many feel it offers excellent value. Battery life does get mixed comments, with some users wishing it lasted longer between changes. If you want one wrench that can handle almost anything in your garage, this one fits that role very well.
At number 3, the Growneer 1/4 inch digital torque wrench. This one is perfect for precision work. If you're dealing with bikes, e-bikes, electronics, or small engines, the Growneer 1/4 inch wrench is designed for exactly that kind of detail-focused job. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to control, which makes it great for tight spaces. The backlit display is large for its size and easy to read, and the alerts help you stop right before you over-tighten. One thing people like is how quickly you can swap sockets and bits. It saves time and makes repetitive work easier. The preset modes are helpful if you're doing the same type of job over and over. Customers often say it's easy to use, accurate, and feels well made. Many appreciate the build quality and the value for the price, especially considering how many accessories come in the kit. Some users have mentioned issues with durability, with a few reporting that the tool broke during use, so that's something to keep in mind. Still, for detailed, low-torque work, this one is a very practical and convenient option. Moving on to number 4, the Uharbour 3/8 drive torque wrench. The Uharbour 3/8 drive model is designed for users who need accuracy in a smaller, more controlled range. It's compact, comfortable, and easy to handle, which makes it ideal for bikes, light automotive work, and mechanical assembly. Like the other Uharbour, it offers peak and track modes, giving you the choice between real-time monitoring or alert-based tightening. The feedback system works well, and the reversible ratchet makes it easier to use in tight or awkward positions. It feels sturdy in the hand without being bulky, and the balance is good, which helps during longer jobs. The interface is simple and doesn't require much learning. Customers consistently mention that it feels well-made and highly accurate. Many say it performs on par with more expensive tools and appreciate the preset options and range of torque settings. Value for money gets positive feedback, though battery life, again, is something some users wish was better. For controlled mid-range torque work, this is a dependable and user-friendly option.
Finally, at number 5, the Growneer Digital Torque Screwdriver. This tool is built for precision. If you're working on electronics, firearms, optics, or small mechanical parts, this screwdriver gives you exact control where it matters most. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and the magnetic bit system makes changing bits quick and simple. The digital display is clear, and the alerts help prevent over-tightening, which is critical for delicate fasteners. The preset modes are useful if you're doing repeated tasks, and the overall layout feels intuitive. It doesn't feel complicated or over-designed, which is great when you just want to get the job done. Customers often say it's well-made, easy to use, and accurate. Many highlight how useful it is for mounting scopes, working on electronics, and handling low torque fasteners. People like the size and portability, and several mention it's perfect for everyday small tasks. Some users have mixed feelings about the adjustment system, but overall feedback is very positive. And that wraps up the top 5 best digital torque wrenches. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Review Source, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tool picks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.